Wambua. I'm a trader with Afriforex. Afriforex, we're a trading unit, so we're a group of traders that trade together, okay? And also end up training people how to end up trading for themselves. We do not trade for individuals. Okay? We're not licensed to do that, maybe in the near future. So these are part of the team that we work with. Not all of them are here, but maybe we can start with ladies.
Hi everyone. My name is Naomi Wangare, the only lady trader in Afriforex for now. I'm seeing a number of ladies, so that's nice. Yeah, I hope the sessions are helping you. The girls who started with us, the girls who come somewhere, can get something, yeah? Is it? Okay. So it's doable, it's tough. You have to practice, but it's doable. 4 years.
Good evening. Okay, my name is Jomo, and I've interacted with many of you here, but I can see some new faces, so welcome. I've noticed some of the new faces are new to trading, and those ones are introduced to, we have a course, it's a free course. So it's only here on Wednesday. So what will you do till next Wednesday? We don't want to leave you guys like that. So you can log into our website. And then the course is called UBC. So there's just 29 video tutorials to show you everything that you need to see about that's the website now. You can click on Academy. By the Academy, there are various courses. So that's the free one, the Ultimate Beginner class. The rest of the courses are charged. So in that particular course, you'll find like 29 lessons. And they're short videos, 2 minutes. The largest video is like, the longest one is 6 minutes. So you can sign up for that. All you need is your email address, and then you can be able to learn all you need to know about Forex. What is Forex? How to set up the charts the way they look, and then some buying and selling opportunities. So even next time we meet, you'll be very, very much ahead. Yeah.
Oh, hi everyone. My name is Mitch. John and I are the founders of Afriforex. Been trading, as we said, for over 10 years. Been friends from high school, actually, and even joined university together. John has never been employed. He is focused solely on trading. I personally did some banking in terms of learning different aspects of how banks work, and realizing that that's not really where the money is. The money is really out here where you can be able to do it yourself, and you're the one determining how much you can make. But it also depends on how much work you put in. Because if you don't put a lot of effort, you're not necessarily going to make it. Plus also the other thing is, it's not a thing where you can end up getting rich quick. Ideally, this is a career change, something that you plan on doing indefinitely. Ideally until you're tired of it or you've made enough money. So ideally that's the hope. But you cannot expect to also get profitable very quickly. You ideally know that this thing takes time. And as long as you put in work and effort, you'll be able to get there. Because you won't make your millions of dollars in one trade. It'll become continuous trading every day. So if you can be able to repeat that and do that every day, you'll be okay. Yeah.
Alright. So as you heard, Mitch has put it very well. So you need to treat Forex like what? Like a business. Okay? So you open shop every day, see what you can get, close. If you take a loss, well and good. As long as it's calculated, okay, you live to fight another. You live to fight another day. So if you treat it like a business, you'll end up being fine. Okay? So this is the team that we work with. Of course, there are others who are on our team who are not here. We have Dixon, we have Nate, we have Ken. the first thing you need to do is you need to figure out what are you. Of course, some of us are risk averse. True of us. You don't want to probably end up putting in too much into a trade. You don't put too much risk. On the other hand, we have risk takers. You know yourselves. You know, if you see a trade or you see an opportunity, unataka kuwekelea ile yote uko nayo. You know, do or die. Kufa dereva, kufa nini? Kufa makanga. Sivyo kani mbaya ni mbaya. So you need to figure out your risk. Okay? Are you risk averse? Are you a risk taker? If you end up figuring that out, work with something that is comfortable with you. If you try work with something that you can't work with, chances are you'll end up getting a lot of heartache in Forex. Kuna watu wengi sana wanachukia Forex. It's not that Forex is bad, you know. And every time you lose, by then you should probably look in yourself, look inside. Answers as to why you ended up losing are inside you. They're not on the Forex charts. I know there are some times where people will end up losing and they say it's the broker. Sindio? When I lose, unasema ni broker. I'm not saying that there are brokers who are not bad. Of course, there are some brokers who, she was moving. Sindio? Now, they'll end up moving your stop losses or your take profits or your orders or whatever. Yeah? Other times you can end up saying it's what? Trump is the one who spoke, or coronavirus. All those are factors that are external. But trust me, even where you ended up losing money, do you think the whole world lost? There's some people who made money, true or false? True. Now, why did they make money? What is it that you did wrong? So that next time you can end up probably changing something. So also even what I'm driving at is also something called post-analysis. Okay? Post-analysis is key.